Welcome to this Aspen of Hereford video. Today I am delighted to be showing you the Umbra flip hooks. Hello, I'm Zoe and this is the Umbra flip hook. A beautiful, smooth, sleek design when not in use, absolute doddle to dust. Simply pull the hooks forward to use. Each hook has a weight bearing of just over 2 kilograms. A stylish floating design, meaning your fixing points are hidden at the rear and not visible from the front, but don't worry, full instructions plus the screws and how to mount them on the wall are included. You can get them in a 3, a 5 and an 8 hook variant in a variety of finishes. If you'd like to see more, please see the links in the description below, and thank you for watching.